Good morning, guys.
Good morning, boss.
Day कौन सा है? I don't remember. आपको याद है? Day 12.
Time also.
So, guys, welcome back to the channel. What's up, people? I hope everyone's doing good. I'm also doing good. We are in Hanle, and that's the observatory. Observatory Hanle. Nice. Our car. This is our homestay, and that's 40 Ladakh. And Radhika is on it. Why is he dancing? dancing. Leke aao. So guys, today's plan is to hit Moriri. I'm just getting the pronunciation. There's some problem with this car. Again, we filled the air yesterday. Now it's down, showing low pressure. This one and this one. So first thing what we are going to do today is fill the diesel, because diesel has come to the warning sign, and of course the tire. It's 7:55 right now, and we're supposed to leave by 7:30, but we're late. But the weather in Hanle is like this. It's, I don't know, full of clouds. That's the manual way of starting. This was the one troubling.
क्या
ये था अंदर,
ये था
अंदर. देखो इसने कितना परेशान किया हमको.
ये है तो पत्थर है.
अरे तोड़ो. पत्थर ही है. I thought it was a nail, but it's a stone. Sharp one. हाँ, तो क्या कर सकते हैं. हाँ, so leaving Hanle, that's the guest house we stayed, and all the way right there is the observatory. We didn't go there. For that we have to come back again one day. So welcome back to the channel, sir. As
Morning, Deb. The first cloudy morning that we've had. I mean, more than 60-70% of the sky was cloudy, and sun is peeping out here and there. We are hoping it will clear, but if it doesn't clear in the next few hours, we can expect some snow on the high passes. We're leaving this village of Hanle, and as Dev just said, we hope to return here again to spend more time and look around. This time we haven't looked around, we just used this place as a base to go and do a couple of passes in one direction or the other.
these are Ladakhi workers. Ajo. आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
वो काम में.
काम जा रहे हैं?
हाँ सर. कहाँ है आप?
मैं मणिपुर का है.
अच्छा, अभी कहाँ जाना है?
अभी हम 2-3 लाख करेगा, सोमोरेरी जाएगा. हम लोग को रास्ता पता नहीं है ना.
अच्छा.
हमारे लोग अंदर गया है पूछने के लिए.
हाँ, यहाँ जाना है. वो मोरीरी जाना है, तो यहाँ
कौन सा ला आएगा इधर?
इधर वो ससल ऐसे जाना.
साइड है.
वो साइड है ना.
आप कहाँ काम करने जाएगा?
मैं लोग यहाँ काम करने जाएगा.
रास्ता बनाएगा.
हाँ, रास्ता बनता है ना हम लोग.
कितना लोग आदमी जाता है यहाँ से?
यहाँ से 50 होगा.
गाड़ी वेट कर रहा है.
हाँ, टिपर में बैठ कर.
आप कौन सा गांव का है?
मैं खालतू गाँव का. नीचे
ये वाला.
हाँ.
अच्छा, बढ़िया. यही पास वाला.
यही पास वाला.
खालतू.
नीचे
खालतू.
हाँ, खालतू.
आपका नाम क्या है?
यशे.
पूरा नाम क्या है?
यशे जातो.
यशे जातो. आप कितना उम्र का हो गया?
मैं 60
साल का. फिर भी काम करता है?
फिर भी काम करता है.
नहीं, आप लोग का क्या मतलब, पैसा कहाँ से आता है ज्यादा?
पैसा वो गवर्नमेंट का
यही आता है. ओके.
अकाउंट में आता है 19,000 20,000.
अच्छा, बढ़िया है. तो आज अभी देखो कितना बज रहा है? 9 बज रहा है.
अभी 9 बजने वाला है ना.
9 बज गया.
हाँ, 9 बज गया ना. 10 बजे वो करता है.
तो फिर कितने बजे आएगा वापस?
4 बजे.
4 बजे तक काम करेगा. चल.
खाने में 1 घंटा.
वहाँ पे खाना देता है कि हम खुद
लेके आए?
खुद के लेके जाना पड़ता है. चलो ठीक है. झूले. Get it. Oh, look at that. Woo! Woo! Zorbala! Snowflakes?
The snowflakes are flying right through us. You can hardly see them. They're just touching and flying off. And
Yeah,
they're
hitting our face.
hardly able to. Yeah.
Topi pe lag raha hai.
Yes. The winds are rapid, and at a pass, they can go up to 60, 70, even 80 kilometers an hour. And we are at Tit Zorba. We have come from there. We have crossed 2 lakes, come in between, climbed up out here. And if you go down this pass out here, through the plains region, you will hit the road which goes from Hanle to Leh, and you will be about a couple of kilometers to the Leh side of Neoma, and then you can go to Leh. But we've got a mission, and we are ahead on time, so we are going to head back
Same route.
to there, to Sarsala, one more pass which we will tell you only when we get there, and then Moriri Lake night halt.
Yeah. So we're going back. Oh, I can see snowstorm.
Take
Snowstorm.
from later.
Snowstorm.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Driving to a snowstorm. This look nothing less dramatic than a movie.
Movie has to fake it, this is real.
This is real, yeah. This is real. Looks like a real, like storm chasing movies you see in Hollywood.
Yeah.
And just loving the present, whatever happening right now. This drive with that car in the front, with that lake in the front, with storm approaching us. This is so Hollywood. Seriously. तेरे साथी है.
Hollywood, yes, but Bollywood doesn't compare. It's not as fake as the stuff that is sometimes done in movies. Okay, here we are. Yeah, it's
water now.
It's rain now.
It's rain.
It's more. I think the snow particles are too heavy to remain snow, and as they come towards the ground, which is warm by the morning sun, there was some sun here, and by the time it comes close enough to the ground, it's warm enough the air to make the snowflakes melt.
And these white patches, the fresh snow just fall down in front of us. Very fresh. Snowfall though. For around 1.5 hours. 1.5 ghanta. Yeah. Finally we see some people. They're making the road. JCBs, excavators, Volvos, bulldozers, trucks, trying to make this road. It's quite almost 1.5 hours matung the civilization, not civilization, but yeah, work people are doing just to make this road beautiful. Cutting the road. Finally we hit the big road.
Big road under construction.
Yeah, big road under construction. Lots of workers are working on it. It's good, यार. बहुत काम चल रहा है यहाँ पे. Thank you. Thank you.
1,000 feet or maybe even more. I don't really have a sense of the altitude here, but it's high.
It's high. It's
And
high.
it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Look at the view in the front. It's amazing. Wow. We have to get down
Yeah.
on the old road. Chalega bhai. But yeah, the view in the front is so damn beautiful. This is top.
Yep.
Okay, looks like Sarsala. Looks like Sarsala. We have reached Salsala. It's called Salsala, and it's at 16,400 above sea level. Let's see. This is how it looks like. short pass. Salsala. How do you spell?
Salsala.
It's too airy, man. Woo. बहुत हवा है रे इधर तो हवा बहुत तेज है उड़ा देगा
We're in the middle of nowhere, Salsala. It's about 16,400 feet. From here, we are at 16,400, 12:15 in the afternoon. From here, we go down to the valley and there'll be a diversion. One road goes to Chumur and the other to Moriri. Let's go there. Changla is the next pass.
all right
Cheers, guys.
this was the most windiest
Yeah, nearly.
just made on the road. Terrific road.
Yeah, it is a terrific road. Look at it. I mean, look at the landscape there. We can see so far. You can see about 50 odd kilometers from here.
Awesome. Keep going. Perfect turn. Awesome. Woo. Apple. आज Apple Day. Apple. लो ये यार अदला बदली सेब और सेब लो और देगा
One more.
दो दे रहा हम बोनस
तेरे को पैकेट मिला है
इसके बदले में किशमिश
बाइक वाले आ रहे हैं देखो.
We are at Changla
Yeah.
and
and Somoriri is to our left.
and we have some lakes surrounding by no?
That's Moriri.
You can see a view there. One lake there. Ready?
Yeah. That's Moriri.
Okay.
Moriri, see? And we are here. We're bang on Changla.
Now what do we do?
We don't find a sign.
We have finally reached Changla just before Somoriri. Yeah, Changla is here. And Somoriri lake is somewhere there. Awesome. One more pass.
They bring for night watch. Yes, sir. उसके पहले कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. ना.
They bring.
They bring tent here. I think
They bring me tent.
let's move forward.
तुलसी खाना खा लो अच्छा डिनर का पता नहीं, मैं तो वही बोलूँ. So now we are on house hunting. House hunting करेगा. Guest house hunting. So Moriri. Yeah, good morning. This is the next day. I couldn't end the vlog yesterday. It was very tiring. So today, which is going to be another in the next episode, we will be going to Polo Kongola, which is on the way to Debring, and we're gonna hit Leh again, and maybe network. So I'll be able to upload few videos. So this is it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. So keep loving, keep exploring. This is Explorer signing off, and see you in the next vlog. I'll show you around. This is what it is. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.